Hey everyone, I wanted to do a little update. I'm having a hard time with this channel. I feel like I'm supposed to pick a niche and I don't know how to do that because I have multiple passions and multiple things I want to share, including health, veganism, juicing, and home stuff. So I guess I could do both on this channel. It just seems a little disconnected. So I don't want to do just one or the other because I want to share both. So I don't know. You know how you feel about that. While we're on the topic, I wanted to share a little bit, I guess just health-wise. So I've been like trying to lose weight since I had my daughter last January. It's currently January 18th, 2023. I feel like I've done a really good job. I've lost about 20 pounds, 25 pounds, which is a lot, and I'm really proud of myself. But I have looked better in the past. I know I can do better, and I'm just like always looking for the next step to take, the next thing I can do to, I guess, move that along, move it forward. So recently I've just been juicing again. I did a juice cleanse before the pandemic started, like right before. It was like the month before, and then the pandemic started, and I kept going. I did it for like 2 months, I think. I lost like 20 or 30 pounds, and I looked really good. I felt really good. I had great energy, and I think the energy is the point I wanted to touch on right now, because that's what it's like a goal I'm trying to reach. I'm trying to get my energy back because, I mean, having a baby adds a layer of being really tired, but I'm like, she's sleeping pretty well lately. She's almost 1, so she's like getting to the point where she's sleeping through the night, you know, most nights. She's in her own room now. We just moved her. So, you know, a lot of factors that like I should be having more energy, I should be sleeping better. So I recently gave up coffee. That's what kind of kickstarted this whole thing. I had just been hearing from a lot of people on YouTube how they gave up coffee or caffeine and they got their energy back. And it sounds so counterintuitive. It sounds backwards because coffee gives you energy, but it's giving you temporary fake energy in the present and robbing you from energy in the future. There's a lot that goes into it, but like adrenal glands and stuff like that. I mean, I love my morning cup of coffee, the warm coziness of it all, but I think taking my Keurig out of our kitchen and I put it in another room unplugged. So like if I really wanted coffee, I would have to do some work to get to it, which I think has helped. I can't just go over and push a button anymore. So it's been about a week. I think like the first couple days I felt really good, and then I started feeling really tired like day 3, 4, 5. And I'm like finally now getting to a point where I'm like kind of leveling out. I'm feeling more even energy throughout the day, which that's like a goal that I've been after. Cause I'm like this whole like have energy in the morning for a few hours and then crash the rest of the day like dead to the world. That's not gonna work for me long term. I have a baby. I want to be present with her. I want to play with her. I guess I'm just like looking for my health again. And I think that's just like an ever-long lifetime journey that all of us are on, looking for our health, regaining it, you know, getting comfortable, losing it, and then, oh, wait, I want that back again. And I think this time, now that I have my daughter, I'm just more motivated because I want to be here with her, for her. I want to have the energy for her to be like the best mom. When I did my 2-month juice cleanse a couple years ago, I looked so good and I felt so good. like really confident. I looked better than I did in high school. Like my face was just slim and youthful and glowing, and she just looked great, all right? And I want her back. So I don't know if I'll do a juice cleanse. I need to do more research because I'm still breastfeeding, and I would like to continue breastfeeding for as long as we both feel comfortable. So maybe another year or so. And I don't want anything to affect my supply. So I don't know if a juice cleanse is possible at this time, but I am including a lot more juices in my day, my morning, I should say. So the past, like, how many days it's been? Like 4 days now. I've been getting my juicer out and juicing for, I would say, like 2 of these. I don't know how much this is. That might be 40 ounces. So maybe 80 ounces, I don't know. So I've been having that much juice in the morning, and then I'll go to a smoothie. I love the idea of going raw again. I felt so good on raw. And I'm home most of the time, so I really don't feel like I'll struggle with going out and being tempted to eat out with people, because that like rarely happens. But I have like a lot of cooked food in the fridge that I've prepped, and I kind of want to eat through that first. But I don't know, just the energy difference. I've also been like craving those salads I used to have, if y'all remember, the humongous salads with the delicious ranch dressing. I used to make like a cashew-based ranch. And I still have cashews, and there's like a hemp-based ranch that's really good, all raw vegan, and they were just so good. And I would put like all my favorite salad toppings, like red onion and olive and apple and dried cranberries. They're so good. Yeah, I've been craving salad, which is weird. It's just interesting how like things work out, and one thing leads me to another, like quitting coffee. I've been like looking for something in the morning that I need to latch onto. Why is that? We need to wake up and like latch onto something. And I think that's what coffee was for me for a long time. It's just a void to fill in the morning. Like while I'm still waking up, I just like need something. So I've made juicing that. And so I guess like right now I'm like kind of like doing raw till 4, which I was like having a hard time. I was trying to do that for a few days. I was having a hard time like making it to 4. I'm like, what am I supposed to eat? I don't want to eat a bunch of fruit. So I think juicing has helped me take place of that, and then adding in smoothies. And then by the time I'm like done drinking this gigantic smoothie, it's 4, and I'll eat the food. I've got like soup prepped. What else do I have? I have some potatoes, some steamed potatoes still. Not bad foods at all. But I think I just love how I feel on raw vegan. So we'll see. We'll see what this journey looks like eventually. And I haven't weighed myself in a while. I used to weigh myself every few days, and just to like see the momentum and keep myself going. But it's just like been last on my list, and I haven't done it in a while. So maybe we'll check that out in the morning. So like the other direction I'd want to take this YouTube channel would be like house, like cleaning, organizing, decluttering, and DIY home projects. Those are all things that I do every day. I'm a homemaker, and I love doing projects on the house. Like I just did the front entryway. That's my latest video. I'll link it here. I love stuff like that. I think I'll just do both moving forward because I love both, and this is my channel. And I keep going back and forth, and I think I'm just driving myself crazy trying to figure it out. And I don't know, maybe, I mean, things change, seasons come and go, and I guess we'll just see where I land. Maybe I'll end up focusing on one more than the other eventually, but anyways, I love you. Thank you for being here. Goodbye.